Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is BRcrochet, and in today's tutorial we are not doing anything crochet related. We are going to be setting up this machine. So this is butterfly JH8190s sewing machine. It's a tabletop machine that comes with the pedal. So this is the pedal. You can call this the pedal or you call it the motor. So this is strictly electronic. So this machine uses electronic. So if you have just gotten yours or you are planning to get yours and you do not know how to set it up, so this tutorial is for you. So if you are going to find this helpful, or if you find this helpful, please stay till the end of this video. So to start with, you're going to be learning how to thread this machine. For familiar cases, this is the reverse. These are the stitches that comes with this machine. So you have these stitches, and this is the buttonhole. This can make buttonholes. So plug this in here. Once that is plugged in, this is the power button. So this is off and this is on. So when you press this on, a light is going to come up in your machine. So this light is going to come up. So when the light comes up, then it shows that your machine is on already. You're going to plug in to the wall. That's the fuse. You're going to plug the fuse to the wall and plug this here and switch on your machine. So this is the control switch for the stitches. This is controlling the stitches. Watch this here. So now let's thread this machine. So this is going to go on the floor. So you're going to match on it, you can see. So you're going to put this on the floor. Then this is our thread. You can either put your thread here or you put it here. You're going to insert and cover it up with this. Then you're going to pick your bobbin. Your bobbin is here inside this, so you're going to just going to slide it back and open it up. Then you're going to pick your bobbin. So this machine often comes with this kind of bobbin, this plastic bobbin. So it means you're going to use plastic bobbin for this machine. Don't know if the metal bobbin is going to work, but you're going to make use of this plastic bobbin. To fix this bobbin, you're going to go in here first. So you're going to pass your thread here. So insert it into this. Then go in, insert into this. Then it comes this way. So you're going to insert your bobbin into this. Wrap this around your bobbin. Then pull this or shift this here. You're going to hear a sound. I don't know if you can hear that sound. If it goes this way, it's not going to work. So you have to push it this way. Now you can press your pedal or your motor. I'm going to fill up your bobbin. So it's going to keep rolling until it's full. When it's full, then it's going to stop rolling. So now it's struggling to roll, which means it's full. So now you're going to pull this way. You can hear that sound. Then you're going to remove this and just cut. So to insert your bobbin, you're going to open this up. Then you find the bobbin case. To open this up or to remove this, you're going to pull on the latch. Then this comes out easily. So when it does, you're going to insert your bobbin into it. Then insert your bobbin into the case. This is the bobbin case, so insert into it. Pass your thread through this line, then it comes out here. Make sure it moves freely. So after you've inserted your thread, after it's already showing here, then you're going to go into your, you can see this, so you're going to insert the bobby case and make sure it fits into this line here, then press in. You're going to hear a sound, so when you hear the sound, it shows it's locked in already. So we are done with this part. So you're going to put your thread inside this. Though I like to pass in my thread while open, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to close this. So now we're going to pass our thread properly. So to pass the thread, you need to follow this arrow. So now the first arrow says you're going to pass through this. So insert this here. Now this, then this. So the arrow says you're going to come down. So pass your thread down. The arrow says you're going to go back up. So to bring this up, you need to pull up the lever. So all you need to do is hold this here and the lever comes up. Can you see? So when you roll up, when it's up, you can pass in your thread. Then it goes down. So into this, it goes inside this. It goes inside this. Now pull up the needle. To pull up the needle, you're going to roll this. So when you roll this, then the needle is going to come up. So roll this and the needle comes up. Then you can insert your thread. So you're going to insert your thread into the needle eye. Then it goes in. Then put this under the foot. So this is the presser foot. So your thread goes under the presser foot. You're going to roll this for the bobbin to come out. This. So roll. Then it brings out the bobbin thread. This is it. So you're going to press this down. This is behind your machine. It's behind your machine. So you're going to press it down. You hear a sound. So that sound shows that this is down already. Just try to fix in this. And now you can start sewing. So this is how to thread your machine, and this is how to set up your machine. So like I said, we have different stitches here. You can see them. So you can use whichever one you want to use, but this is for buttonholes. You can control it here. And for the tension, this is the tension, so you can control your tension. I like to always have mine on number 4. So yeah, if you find this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next, is it class? Yeah, bye.